On the second day of creation, God made something very special. The world was still very new and everything was covered with water. There was no land, no trees, and no people. It was only water everywhere. God decided to create a space that could separate the water above from the water below. So God made a big, beautiful dome. This dome stretched across the whole world. It was wide and high, like a chain ceiling. God called this dome the sky. The sky was blue and bright, and it became a home for the clouds, the sun, the moon, and the stars that God could create later. The sky made everything look different. Now there was water above the dome in the form of clouds and rain, and there was water below the dome in the ocean, rivers and lakes. God's creation was no longer just one big mass of water, it was beginning to take shape. Every day when we look up, we see the same sky that God created on the second day. Sometimes it is clear and bright blue. At other times, it is filled with fluffy white clouds that float slowly across. When it rains, the water from above falls down to the earth, helping plants grow and filling rivers and wells. The sky is also where we see the beauty of a rainbow. When the sun shines after the rain, colorful bands of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet appear. The rainbow is like a reminder of God's love and the beauty of His creation. At night, the sky looks very different. It turns dark and shows twinkling stars along with the moon. This shows us that the sky is not just a simple cover but a wonderful part of nature that changes all the time. The creation of the sky on the second day teaches us something important. It reminds us that God is powerful and wise. He created the world with order and purpose. The sky protects the earth, gives us rain, and shows us beauty every day. So the second day of creation was not just about making a dome, it was about preparing a safe and beautiful world for all living beings that God could create later. Thank you.